Zero-based budgeting is a simple way to manage your cash by giving every single dollar a specific job before the month begins. The goal is to reach zero at the end of your calculation. This does not mean your bank account is empty. Your total monthly income minus your total planned expenses, including savings and investments, should exactly equal zero. By assigning every dollar to a category like rent, groceries, or savings, you remove the guesswork from your spending habits. While traditional budgeting tracks what you spent, zero-based budgeting plans exactly what you will spend before the month starts. A common starting point is the 50-30-20 rule, where half your income goes to needs and the rest to wants and savings. This method works because it forces you to prioritize your financial goals and prevents money from just disappearing into small, uncounted purchases. Try this method for 1 month to see where your money actually goes. Remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.